sayang. Kami ni Ate CJ wala pa din. Uy, CJ has. I saw that she has. Guys, you know, time flies so fast. Ate Abby's married now. Nag-break, bumalik ka na sa chismis. Wala na sila. Wala na agad. May curse talaga yung Batangas, guys. Ask mo si CJ kung bakit naman. Baka kasi sa Batangas sila. Thank you, Kuya Ravi. Ay, that's cute. That's one. I like that. Thank you, Kuya Ravi. Thank you. Cheating. Kineme Beshi. Cheating. Sino? Si CJ? Kasi, ikaw lang may sumpa sa Batangas. Uy, nandun lang naman ako because, peaceful. Ito naman si Maria. Perfect gift for a royalty. You're still putting butterflies in my stomach, Kuya Ravi. It's been a year and you're still there. I'm very happy. Peaceful nga ba? That thing ruined me. It's not. At least, guys, yung kapalit naman is... Come on. You know that Aria Maria Maria Isabel, peaceful ang ocean. Guys, yung Batangas na... the beach in Batangas is parang... There's no white beach. I'm not sure I've been to places there that's not white. So, you're making me blush. Yes, you're also making me blush, Kuya Ravi. You're one of the OGs, so I'm happy that you're here. I'm happy to see your name as well. Si Shawn Mendes kaya... Guys, move on na kayo. Wala na si Shawn Mendes. Ang tagal na nun. Hanggang ngayon, ba kinikilig pa din kayo dun? Nakalimutan ko na may Shawn Mendes pala eh. Shawn Mendes, guys, is the singer. Okay? Don't overthink. Shawn Mendes was my favorite singer kasi. I always listen to his songs. Si Lods. Si Skasta Clayden, guys. Naging si Jimmy Neutron. Chris Brown na adesso. Ay, today, now. Oh, guys, don't change topic. So, sinong mga kami-oshi nyo ngayon? I wanna know. Who's your kami-oshi? Is it Brianna? Is it Clariel? Is it Rachel, my favorite baby? Is it CJ? Is it Ate Dana? Is it Ate Jamie? May Emin. Yes, of course. Oh, my pumpkin. Nandun ka pala. Ang aking pangiti. Yan. Never ending. Tananan. Simula na nag-graduate si Amy, wala na akong kami-oshi. Wow, Maria, sorry Parang nakakaya. Ang galing mo dun, Aria. Ay, Maria. Ang galing mo dun. Iba pa rin, OG. Yes, guys. Iba pa rin ang mga senpai for me talaga. I love sila. Yung mga bago. I'd love to see them like, alam mo yun, yung mga, may mga bagay na kaming mga third gen. I'm talking from like a former member who didn't get a lot of exposures. Kaya, sana ibawi na lang sa mga bago ngayon. Ganun. Kasi everything stopped from there. When I was a member, medyo I was not satisfied with what I was getting for the quality of my talent. kasi. Basta yon, I don't wanna talk anymore about that, but sana yung mga exposures ngayon ay masagad na, as in, they deserve it. Friendship chat group updates. True kayo na last kilala namin after wala na. Yun. I was happy naman, guys, nung nandun ako. Miss ko na nga eh. Pero kahit kung ibalik ko man kasi yun, kinda lack. Medyo, yeah, I don't wanna explain to it. I don't wanna explain about it right now. But, there's a little bit of heartache in me, inside. Is this? Mama. I'm gonna cry. Oh, Mama Bear. How are you? Mama Bear, kamusta ka na, Mama Bear? How are you na? Akala ko hindi kita mararamdaman na. Like, simula na nawala na. Nakakamiss ka naman, Mama Bear. Are you still updated, Mama Bear? Are you still a member of ML48? Wow. CJ, Mama Bear, wait CJ, wait lang. Si Mama Bear muna kasi may utang ka pa sa aking kwento, CJ. Mama Bear, where are you staying right now? I'd like to, you know, see you soon. See you one time, or like, you know, ibalik sa'yo lahat ng mga support na binigay mo sa amin. Wow! What a straight. Guys, this is not live. This is recorded. How are you guys? Ewan ko sa'yo, KitKat. Ewan ko sa'yo. Sabi mo, Boracay. Wala ka naman. Pumunta ako doon, hinahanap kita. Sabi nila, nandun daw si KitKat sa may kanto. Ibang KitKat naman yung sinabi nila sa akin. Yung bad trip sa'yo, Ate KitKat, anong ginawa mo sa tao na to? She ghosted me. Ewan ko sa'yo. Ewan ko din. You cannot say, ewan ko din sa akin. You cannot say that to me. Guys, na-miss nyo ba si Mama? Wait, guys, si Mama Bear kasi, parang si Kuya Roy, Mama Bear, royalties ko, whatever. Ano na? Can you update me with what's going on? Did you guys replace me? Even Jane Patrick is here. Kamusta na? How are you na? Kamusta na kayo, guys? Matagal nyo na akong pinalitan. Galit kayo, ah. Why you guys mad? Why I feel like you guys are mad at me? Just because I left. Are you guys mad? Or tampo? Or mad? Kuya Robbie, I think they're mad at me. I think, galit kayo, guys? Are you mad at me? Konyo ka pa rin. I'm not konyo anymore. I can't blame them if they are. No. Mama Bear! Ba't magagal? Kasi umalis ako, guys. I mean, I left without any announcement or whatever. Actually, may tea ako sa inyo. But, I will not tell or say it here online. Pati ako nagulat eh. Wow, ganun. I'm gonna, ito, royalties. I'm gonna, sasabihin ko sa inyo something. May something ako sasabihin sa inyo. Ito, I think you guys are gonna be happy. You, there's gonna be this one day I will upload like, story ko rin story ko yan. Kailangan ilagay nyo lahat ng questions nyo. Question for former ML48G. Syempre, a lot of people are confused. A lot of questions are going on. What happened? Why? Doon ko isasagot sa vlog. Kasi masyadong madami. Guys, but don't you worry, I'm happy naman na not because of anything that's connected with ML48, but right now I feel like I'm much more better, like mentally. Remember me guys before, diba? Always stressed, always like this. I mean, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm happy. Happy for you. Yeah, Mama Bear, I'm happy naman po. I mean, wala ako sa Batangas. You know. Pero, ano kasi, tamo, I wanna open up to you guys, pero hindi ko pwede. Sa vlog na lang. I wanna open it up, but I can't. But, yeah. There's also part of me na parang, diba nakita niyo yung Instagram post ko? Did you guys see my Instagram post? Yung, summertime, let's dance until the... Same ba? Summertime, jumping, I just wanna go out when the nights go down. Alam niyo yan, guys? Alam niyo yan? Guys, ano sasabihin ko regarding it? Yeah, I have a lot of kwento regarding it. You know, from the shoot, from the plan, from the everything. Marami-rami. Pero is it still allowed? Am I still allowed to like clear my name for that kind of situation? Kasi when I posted that video, I just wanted to show, kasi people never get to see that I get to join the project. People never get to see that. You guys didn't know, and it's like you guys didn't know about that, right? So I had to show, pero I just parang I checked Twitter, you guys. I also read, and sabi ko sayang because parang the outcome was not the one that I expected from that project, you know. I've been training for years, so you know. But I love ML48, you guys. I love Sir P. I love Ate Abby. I love everyone there. Okay. Bakit pahina ng boses natin? Sorry kasi guys, I don't want to be loud. Chill na lang tayo. Dati kasi mahina rin naman dati. Madilim pa nga eh. Pili kayo. Maliwanag na mahina or malakas na madilim. Kumain ka na. Wow! Kuya Robbie, you're very good with Tagalog na. Violet ang background. Sa taas yun. Sa music room. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Boy, Violet. Okay, so wala. I just went on live just to catch up with you guys. You know, I didn't expect that Kit Kat would be here, Mama Bear, Kuya Robbie, Maria, CJ, I miss you, bebe. Yung live ha, hindi ikaw. KitKat! You know, it's 2025. People change. A lot of things changed. You still didn't change. You're still bullying me up to now. Thank you, Kuya Robbie. Kuya Robbie! Call na tayo. Bago tayo mag-call, marami kayong i-explain sa akin. Nagkaka-jowa na kayo, guys. Without even telling me that. Even Mama Bear, I think, does Mama Bear has Papa Bear na? Yun pa rin naisip ko till now. Kuya Jerome, call ka, ba't ka po umalis? Again, guys, if you guys have further questions regarding my former ML48 journey, it will be up on my blog. I'll put it on my Instagram story. Papa Bear. Kaya nga, thank you, Sleepy DJ. Ito pa to, isa pa si Sleepy DJ. Sheesh. Ano daw? Spill mo na. Of course. Hindi naman, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna ruin anyone's image. You know, I'm just gonna clear out my name. Or like, explain stuff, ganun. Kasi, I left without any message at all. Gulat na lang kayo. Diba? Now na. No! Diba? Paano tayo pasulpot-sulpot? Minsan nawawala, minsan meron. I miss you too! Oh my God, I miss you as well. King Kong? Ewan ko sa'yo, Zarlene. You have time to watch my live. You don't have time to reply to me or to check up on me. Zarlene is my best friend, guys. Kilala nyo naman yan. Bumibisita yan dati sa live ko. Mga may jowa na din yan. I miss you too. Nag-change na lang name sa IG? Nag-change ako? Sino? Who changed? Guys, may Papa Bear na ba? Wala pa rin till now. Ano na? Ay, sorry. Wala pa. Mama Bear! Are you still in love, Mama Bear? Are you still there? Are you still part of the industry? Mama Bear, tagasan ka ba? Can I pick you up? Can I kidnap you or something? You are so beautiful. Thank you, Fantasy. Hindi na ako ML-loves. That hurt my heart. Really? I would not expect that, Mama Bear. Why? What happened, Mama Bear? Why stop suddenly? I see that you're one of the strong supporters. Bagong notes ko sa Insta, meet up na kasi with matching tags. Jesus! Ayaw naman mag-book ng ticket. Blooms kayo? Oh, okay! Okay. Okay. I mean, yeah, why not, guys? Exhausted din. Parang Mama Bear is like, I don't know. I don't think it's good for public to say what I feel, but it's sad as well. It's sad for me every time I look at the old memories. Every time I look at it, I feel happy, but at the same time, if I look at it now as it's a past na, it hurts me. It's sad for me, you know. Can you make friends with me? Yeah. You know, ML48 will be having a concert next month. Guys, I'd love to go. I'd love to go. I think if makikita ko yung mga ibang royalties doon next month. Hi! Thank you! How are you? Nasad tuloy ako mawag. I mean, yeah. Iba na din kasi mga girl. You know, ramdam ko rin yun mga girl. I felt that. Even if I'm just a third generation. I knew exactly that you were one of the genuine supporters we had. Kasi, I just could feel it that time. Kaya, I was shocked right when I knew that you stopped as well. Na, kahit wala na ako, of course, na parang right now, na wala ako, iniisip ko na parang buo pa rin doon. Nandun ka, nandun sila Ate Sheki, nandun sila ganon, sila ate, sila ganon. Ganon. Hindi nyo nga tanda si I Am Worldwide, di ba? Tanda ko pa yun ng ganon. It's sad, you know, sometimes things are not really permanent. I think Kuya Robbie is permanent. Hindi niyo ba namimiss, guys? Si Kyle nandito rin. How are you, Kyle? Si Kyle. How are you, Kyle? Sino nang bago mo pagtapos ko? Sino na? Nagbalik loob ang mga to, ah. Ano kasi, since birth na sa'yo, te. Really ba? Wala. Cold mo naman, ngayon ka na nga lang bumalik. Parang ikaw pa yung galit. Parang galit si Kyle, guys. As long as there is an Osho in the group, I'll be there. Well, thank you, Kuya Robbie, for still supporting MNL48. You know, even if I'm not a member right now, I'm still happy to see the OG MNL support the team. Ano lang nang hiyatas mo, Kuya Kyle, ngayon lang ulit nakita. O, diba parang Vanessa vibes lang? It's been a while as well. Marami kasing nagbago, guys. Maraming. Honestly, Mama Bear, royalties, if you're listening, Kuya Robbie, Maria, CJ, si Kit Kat, si Sleepy DJ, maraming, a lot of things changed, you know, like Boba Tea, Tesla. You guys know that? Party in Hollywood Hills. This song. Oh my god, did you Okay, maraming nagbago. A lot of things changed. Bago ako, nung umalis ako, guys. Hi, Choco Pan! Nung umalis ako, actually, there was no official. Ito na naman tayo eh. Sabi ko sa vlog na eh. Pero yun, basta, nung nawala, pansin ko parang ang dami na rin nawala. Naiyakan kay Lancy. Sino? Lancy? Uy! Si Julius! Hello? Okay. 28. Hi! Guys, miss ko na kayo. I'm trying to calm myself down. Kasi pag kilala niyo ako, when I get hyper talaga ako. If you know me really well. before ang dami nagbago. Parang I didn't expect na Eliza may mawawala. Parang sunod-sunod na nawala. You know? Like Boba Tea. maraming nawala. I wasn't even expecting Ate Amy would not be there, Sapat na. Sa akin dati, guys. Sapat na. Kalma, happy sa... Okay, guys. Okay. Kanis. Guys, baka nakakalimutan niyo yung pangako ng royalties. Di porket wala na sa MNLA, wala na rin yun. Diba? Before, nung kaka-start pa lang natin, sabi ko, it's more on like friendship, not like fans lang. It's not that. Kung iniwan mo ko kayo, wala akong royalty sinasabi ngayon, guys. Ano ba? Never ako nang iiwan unless iwanan ako. But sometimes kasi we have to know our worth when it comes to tumatanda na kasi tayo. Getting old na, guys. I mean, I'm 23, but I cannot explain stuff. Asu boy! Kuya Jerome! Ciao! Know your worth, yes. So again, everyone, to people who's asking kung bakit ako wala na sa MNL, anong nangyari, anong thoughts ko, whatever, I'll just upload the story on IG for you to put the questions that gusto niyong tanongin sa akin, and then I will answer it on my YouTube. Ganun. Si Asu is Koreano na. God damn! 사랑해요, 오빠! 이렇게, 어떻게, 이렇게. 감사합니다. Miss ko na. Guys, hindi lang kayo ang nakakamiss sa MNL48. Feeling ko, I feel like not all former members get to say it because we all have different timing and we all have different types of how we cope up with leaving the group. Pero, if it's masakit for you guys, paano pa kaya kami na nandun din mismo? Kayo, you guys are there to support us. And then, we're all there to make you happy. Kung nung nawala yon para sa amin, is like, nawalan kami ng part sa life namin. You know what I mean? It's not that easy to forget that journey. I would never forget that journey. Ayoko na din na kita maintindihan. Bakit? Nagtatagalog naman na ako, guys. Naiintindihan nyo naman. Kamukha mo si Bini Mika. Guys, kamukha ko na talaga lahat. Ever since, you know, kamukha niya si ganto, si ganto, si ganto, si ganto. Doppelganger talaga ako. Yes, guys, I'm in Manila. Tagal ko na nasa Manila. Pero, again, with the MN loves, me as a former ML48, as a former member, I'm happy that I met you guys. I'm really happy. It's like, kayo yung reason why it was happy. For me, personally for me. It went all over masaya because of you guys. Alam niyo naman siguro yung naging situation ko sa loob. So, ilang taon na ako nag-start? Mga 9. 9 years old. Sayang di mo na ako mamimit. Kuya Asu, Kuya Jerome, are you in Korea? Are you going to Korea? Nung meet up na lang tayo to G sa langit. Ewan ko sa inyo. Si St. Peter kanina nandito. Sinusundo ako sa chat. Zarlene, may sakit ka? Yeah, I have buti na lang nakapag-handshake na tayo. Sus! Ayaw naman magbili ng ticket sa Boracay. Gusto nyo guys ng you guys want reunion Boracay? Gusto nyo? Kita tayo doon? Sino si Zarlene? Si King ko. Are you still reading messages ba sa IG from us? You guys stop messaging me. Even the royalties. Kuya Robbie never stopped. I stopped receiving messages from royalties. You know. Puntahan ka namin, tas hatid mo kami pabalik. Door to door. Driver? Tara, Bora. Kuya, where are you ba? Are you planning? Are you leaving? Are you staying? Baka naman. Ako sa'yo. Tampo ako sa'yo. True. No reason for me to stop. Just... Kuya Robbie, I know. I still get butterflies in my stomach every time I get to. Kasi sila KitKat, kinalimutan na nila ako. Nagka-jowa lang sila. They forgot about me, you know. I always see their post in love, you know. In love sila. Together forever pa yung caption nila. Tas ako, wala na. Super stunning. Zarlene, dali ka KitKat, pero di ko siya pupuntahan. Oh my God, may mga jowa na kayo? Sana all. Hindi bagay. Guys, if you haven't met Christian, I think you already know Christian because I posted him on my Instagram. He's a nice person, He doesn't bite. Para siya si Asu. Christian Bautista. Parang naging Kumu 2.0 na kasi puro mga OG Guys, masarap dito. I mean, what I mean is like, I'd like to talk with you guys. Kaso ayoko kasing magsawa kayo sa akin. Kaya nawawala ako. What do you mean masarap dyan? Masarap dito. sa TikTok lang. Masarap mag-live. Pero kasi if I go live, all the time, magsasawa kayo sa akin. So, Pader, gusto mo ba chikate? Dami kong baon, kaso about nga lang sa buhay ko. Pwede naman. Marami akong alam sa buhay mo nang hindi mo alam. Huwag ka magtago, di naman magsasawa sa'yo. No, kasi that's logic. Wow. That's life, you know? Sometimes when it's too much, sometimes it's you don't give me attention if I show myself all the time. Kaya, ayun. Kamustahan, pero hindi naman, wag naman din sana kayo like permanently mawawala. Kasi hindi naman kami mapupunta sa heaven just because we left MNL48. You know. Ako, I agree sa sinabi mo. Mama Bear sa ang part, kasi dami ko sinabi. Sa MNL po ba? Dun sa team? It's okay, go live just once in a while. And parang guys, hindi na ako sanay. It's like, sometimes I just prefer to watch na lang. Panood, kayo na lang nandito. Ako na lang magko-comment. Ganun. Bakit ang bait mo? Sa'yo lang talaga ako masama ugali, Zarlene. Sa tingin Sa logic na minsan lang para di magsawa. Yes po, Mama Bear. Kasi, dati, parang napansin ko, if it's too much, it's like less na. Pero pag minsan more naman. Diba? Kita nyo guys, halos isang taon akong hindi nagpakita sa inyo. Naggulat kayo na nandito ako. Diba? Eh kung lagi ako nandito, edi sasabihin nyo, siya na naman. Tama. Am I right? 1 year na ata guys. I think it's 1 year. Nakakasawa. Tingnan mo, Kyle. Tama. Replay ata to eh. Gusto nyo mong ibalik natin yung mga, ganito na lang. Para may idea kayo. Hindi naman tayo babalik we're not going back to the old ways na magsa-schedule ako. Hindi. Surprise na lang. Tapos, balikan natin yung mga live ko dati. It's like, I'm gonna, magre-react ako sa mga sino nagsasabi ko dati. Pati sa mga comments niyo. Simula nung una. Like the first live. Do you guys have the copy of that? I think there are copy of that. Tandaan nyo si Worldwide, yung nagbabagsak ng Big Diamonds. Tandaan nyo yun. Tapos, nagalit siya kasi hindi ako sumayaw. Ganon. How about mga live mo sa Batangas? Oy guys, binabalikan ko yun. May ship ka ba sa M&M Loves? Meron. Si Kyle, pati si KitKat. Why don't you surprise us? Mag-live ka sa national television. Hey, we're not gonna talk about anything that's going on in the Philippines. We're gonna keep ourselves safe. Okay? We're not connected. We're safe. Okay? Everything is hard work. Okay? Don't worry. Nagkwento ng buong buhay niya sa TV Patrol. Live na live. ML48G magkukwento ng kanyang buhay. Dito, sa TV Patrol. Guys. ML Loves. Reply, Tote, may sarili siyang mundo. Hey, I'm just saying. MMK, TV Patrol. Oy guys, pag yun nangyari at nagkatotoo, for sure manonood kayo. For sure usapan na naman sa Twitter. Yan. X, tama ba? Nakakamiss, tawa mo na nakakainis na naman. Lumabas ka sa TV, kaso tulpo. Gusto niyo patulpo kayo lahat eh. Tapos doon kayo magkabilaan. Sabihin ko, guys, kumakalma na nga ako. Napatawa niyo na, no? Hindi ba napapansin, hinihinaan ko yung boses ko. Sorry, di ako nanonood ng TV. Kuya Jerome, wala talaga nagbago sa'yo. You're still alam mo yun sa classroom, yung nakaganon. yung nakaganon, nakaka-handkerchief. Ganun datingag mo, Kuya Jerome. I remember the first Kumu Live with you that I watched. You and Liza were at the mall. Yeah, I watched that as well a few weeks ago, Kuya. Yun yung, so sorry yun yung we played Saranggola I'm happy to see that. Saranggola sa mall or pitong ano yun? Siya yung patintero. Oh my God. Miss ko na kayo ni Ate Liza magsama sa isang screen. I miss that person as well, guys. But we we cut connections as well because of something behaviors that I just didn't like, but we get to discuss it naman. Pero sometimes I cannot accept people like who did me wrong. Ganun. Kunyari, let's say let's say may hindi lang may parang may sitwasyon lang na hindi ko na gusto. Ako kasi, I'm the type of person that I don't base on how long our friendship is. Kahit 10 years na tayo, 15 years na tayo, pag may mga bagay na hindi ko nagustuhan, na hindi ko in-expect, I cannot bring the trust back, so why will I stay? Ganun. Pero I'm still hoping for the best of her, you know. Wow, shock ka ba, KitKat? Kala mo naman di mo alam. You're so fake. You're so fake, KitKat, Luis. You're dumb. Pero guys, wala namang bad blood naman. Sometimes, tumatanda na rin kasi tayo. Parang, na-realize na natin na parang we don't wanna exert energy on that type of situations. You just grew apart. Yeah. Na-miss ko kayo. Mas better if peace ang uunahin. Yes, actually guys, you're right. Talking about peace, you know guys, gumigising ako ng maaga. You know, I wake up like, what? I wake up, maaga ako gumigising guys, 5:36, ganun. Kasi I jog, hindi ko lang siya binavlog kasi I'm doing it for myself, not for the vlog. Parang, magra-run ako, ganun. I read books like this, stuff like that. So, yung nakilala nyo dati na Vanessa, na nagsasaing, tapos nagsisira yung lutuan, yung hugasan, bata. Ganun. Things kind of change a little bit. Ayaw mo mag-grow together tulad ng ibang kumpanya. Grow together. Ano? Ayaw. Guys, low pa din ako ah. Ako pa din to. Okay? People change but it's still me. Ayaw mo mag-grow together. Grow a garden. Ewan ko sa inyo. Medyo lag. Kilala niyo na ako guys, kailangan i-explain niyo sa akin pag nagbibiro kayo. Ito pa, I have chika. Grow taller. Sabi niya, grow taller. Guys, ako. I went to a flight attendant hiring. This girl is small. So, diba? Unexpected, diba? Si Vanessa magtatry ng ganun. Actually, ito kasi yun guys. Parang, sabi ko, nasa utak ko before. That time, sabi ko, you know, it's better to try than not know. It's better to experience stuff. Kasi I never experienced getting rejected from entertainment. Diba? Yung Star Hunt ko, from Star Hunt to G-Force to stuff. So, sabi ko, I have to experience. So, pumunta ako doon, diba? Pag mag-flight attendant ka, guys, you should like bun, you know, naka-bun, naka-polo. Ako, I feel like I was going to a recruitment model. Nakalugay, naka-curly ang hair. Kuya, is there parking here? Dapat yun maayos ka magsalita. Like, yung formal ka na, parang flight attendant, kung paano ka. With that time, I was like, Kuya, they have parking here. Can I park here? No? So, hassle naman. Gagrab pa ako, ganun. My height requirement, yes. Ano siya, parang, ayoko sabihin. Kasi baka alam nyo na yun. Yung magiging, magiging height ko. Kasi, you guys don't know my height. I'm 5. Dapat na abot mo lang yun. Dapat ata maabot. Yun nga. Pero kasi it's not a scam. What I tried that time was hindi sila nagpa-reach. It's a reach test. It's 212. And walang ganun. So I was like, you know what? I just wasted time. Pero at least, diba, we get to experience stuff like that. Ganun yung mga bagay na marami na akong pinasok, guys. I'm just trying kasi I cannot be stuck on just one place. Yung parang, diba, kaya ako nawala sa ML48 because I was just stuck behind the closed doors. Mag-pilot ka na lang. Pwede naman, pero saka na lang. I love you too. I missed you guys so much. Talaga. Ikaw na lang yung eroplano. So, tingin nyo guys, what changed in me? Yung nakikita nyo before sa today, sa now. Ano nakikita nyo? Umuwi ka na. Shh. Hey, uwi ka na. See? Isa pa lang? Seryoso ka? Parang kanina ka pa. Ilan? Mahina. Sorry. Maangas ka na ngayon. It's not role play, you guys. It's not role play. I'm on call kasi. Can you say hi? Hi ka lang. Ganon ka lang, oh. Psst. Ganon ka lang. Ready? Malayo naman. Mabilis lang. Ganon ka. Ready? Okay. Say hi. Binabantayan ko yan kasi guys. Kasi he's alone. Nasa ano siya? Dumaguete. Nasa Bohol. Dumaguete is a province. Mommy? What do you mean, mommy? Ano siya guys? He is, I know that I was loved ban way back before. Pero, Mama Bear, if you do not know him, he is a nice person. Very nice. Very kind. And we're LDR right now. He's in Australia. Huwag kayong magsasalos, guys, kasi tropa ko lang yan. Lahat kasi pinagseselosan nyo. Siya ba yung kasama mo sa vlog? Opo, siya po yung kasama ko. Alam niyo ba guys, it's my first time to travel outside the country. Siya yung nagpa-experience sa akin kasi wala akong ganung experience before. You know? Nawiwirdohan ba kayo guys pag yung isang member nagkaka-partner ng love band? Is it weird for you guys? Kasi as much as possible, I want to parang I want you guys to get to know him as well. Kasi, kung, I don't know pero for me, royalties are not just because of ML48. ML48 was the reason, but I want us to be like one. Gets mo? Parang, come on, we're out of the group already. And, parang, we get to be matured enough to, you know, ganon. Gets nyo na, parang, basta, but it's hard to explain, pero, ayoko lang ng may, parang, alam mo yung issue or whatever, parang, gets? Parang ganon. It's like, it's better to, chat GPT ko na lang para maano ko sa inyo, ma-explain ko sa inyo. But don't get mad, guys, if nakikita nyo, kunyari, sanay kayo na walang nakikita, ganon. That's, I think, outside of MNL48. If you're not part of anything at all, I think that's normal. Normal naman siguro. Si KitKat nga, ligawin eh. Di naman kami nagsaselos. Di naman kami si ano. Ayun lang. Parang lahat naman sila nagsaselos, KitKat. Miss you. Ate JD! How are you? Ate JD, can we make a content? Parang buhayin natin si Jen Lisa ng marami kasi na heartbroken sa atin eh. Wala na rin yung iba. Tayo pa ba mawawala din as well. Hi, Tita Kane! How are you, Tita Kane? I'm sorry I didn't get to go to Toph's birthday because I was alone. My parents went on a trip and kinda scared to drive nighttime from Pasig to your place. Tita Kane, are you in Singapore right now? Where are you at? I'm in Manila, JD. Ate JD. Parang weird naman sabihin ng JD. Like, I'm used to call you Ate... Ano ba yung tawag ko sa'yo ate dati? Ate JD. Hindi, maliit kasi yung boses ko dati kay Ate JD. Ate JD. Ganun. Ate JD. Parang ang tanda ko na kasi, guys. You know? Ate JD, do you wanna dance class with me? You wanna dance class together? Where are you staying right now? Home now. Kakauwi lang. Okay. Tita, you wanna go Maimi Tangka? Maimi Tangka. Kaso kaka-trip niyo pa lang. You look more mature. Really ba? Gusto niya she knows already, Maimi Tangka. She knows na, Tita Kane, do you wanna go Thailand daw? Tara, kaso I'm in Cavite. Cavite? Walang problema doon. Yes. Sige, tita. Next year na lang. Parang maraming gagastos in this December kasi Thailand. Tita, you want nature trip pa? Nature trip? Mahilig ka ba sa beach or more on shopping? Kasi ano yung isa? Vietnam? Sige. Ano mo, tita, it's better to talk about this privately. Kasi baka no-OP yung mga MN loves. Ang mga lovies, baka no-OP sila. But I miss you, Tita Kane. I'm sorry for not going kasi mag-isa na kasi ako. So, takot ako mag-isa. I love you, tita. I miss you. I miss you, Hanot. I miss you to Ate JD. Let's make content together. I mean, something like parang hindi siya yung parang vlog lang, parang content. Yung John Liza ng mga M and Loves na to. Bigyan naman natin ng ulam dahil lagi na lang silang kanin. Something mature ba? What do you mean, something mature? Ano? Ano da? Guys, also, Kit Kat Luis. Yes, can't wait. Ate, I don't want this to just be a plan. I want this to tuloy. You know? It's giving me parang bumabalik yung before. Paano kaya, guys? Paano kaya kung akala natin this is a reality, but all this time we're just dreaming, and kaka-start pa lang pala namin ng 3rd gen. Ito ngayon nanonood ka ng live ko, panaginip lang pala siya. Pagbiglaan na tutuloy. Let's make it happen. Set natin. Okay, ate. Okay. Busy ka na kasi, ate. I saw your post. You've been doing commercials. So, I never got to message you and bother you because I want you to focus on your work. Kinda like Matrix. Yes. What if we're all just dreaming? And all the 3rd generation members are still there pa pala. Nanaginip lang kayo na nagsialisan. I miss si Ate Isabel. Ate Isabel Tilara. Sino pa mga na-miss ko? Yung mga naging pa talaga. Ate Ella, na-miss ko rin sa Ate Ella. I miss her, Ate Vibes. And then, si Frances. Si Frances, ano kasi ako, guys, na mind block na ako pagdating sa ganun. Alam niyo yung parang, nakalimot ako. Parang, I'm bad with names. Tapos, the situation that I went through was not good. Sino ba? I miss Ate Claire, Ate Amy, mga ate. Ate Ruth, yan. Sino pang mga ate ko? Rhea. Mga ate kasi. Like ate. older than me. Ate Sheki. Mga Ate Sheki, Ate Avi, Ate Lara, Ate Isabel. Ate Isabel, always Ate Isabel. Ate Coley. Guys, mga former members, you tell me. Ate Doc, gising na siya. Painumin. Tito Hazel! Sapat na yung si Tita Kinang pumasok, tapos pumasok ka pa talaga dito, ha, Tito Hazel? Magdasal tayo kay Papi Chris. Amen. Coco, yes. Of course, yeah, si Ate Colleen. Yes, I also miss her. Pero yung mga dati namin was December. Yung medyo kinikidnap ko sila, ganun. Santo Papi, amen! Si Santo Papi ay nagtatrabaho at naghahanap ng trabaho at ng buhay. Naghahanap buhay siya, Tito Hazel. Guys, everyone, if you remember Tito Hazel, remember Batangas? Diba we were just talking about Batangas kanina, na nasa Batangas ako dati. Ayan! Isa yan sa mga kasamahan ko dyan sa Batangas. Tito Hazel, ang favorite bastos yan, guys, kasi diba, I'm hungry. Maluto niya, masasarap. Okay? Sabihin ko, wow, ang sarap naman na luto niya. Tapos sasabihin niya, masarap talaga yan eh, kasi may halo siyang dura. So, Skipo. I mean, ganun si Tito Hazel. Parang every time na naaalala ko siya, may dorado yung food na niluluto. Ayun lang. Tito Hazel, the good chef. The butter chicken is always the most masarap that he always cooks. Yes. So, Chef Tom, Tito Hazel, I never called you tomboy. You called yourself tomboy. I thought you were a boy talaga. Because in my eye, first time you're a boy. You were a boy. Kapag ba ang laruan, pinicturan, tawag dun, phototoy. Ako sa'yo. I know I'm not a member anymore, but delikado talaga kayo pag nagsasalita. Ay, pag nagtatype kayo. Okay, so anyway, so going back, the members that I missed. Pero number 1, guys, ito ha. Hi, tita. Hi, Tof! I love you. Yung picture mo sa birthday mo na binigay mo sa akin, nandun sa ref namin. Dinikit ko. Okay? So, hindi kita lagi nakakalimutan. Lagi kita tatandaan. Tof. And pinanood ko yung vlog ko kanina lang. Yes. Hawak ko, ikaw, nung first meet natin, Tof. Anyways, so, guys, saan ako? Number 1, irarank ko yung mga favorite ko. Mga naging close ko. Number 1 was Ate Amy. Before, it was Eliza May. And then, transferred to Ate Amy. And then, yun. Number 1 lang. Si Ate Amy lang. Are you leggings or cycling short person? Cycling short po ako. Ay? Cycling short. Because leggings is hot on the legs. How about current members? What do you mean? Like current members right now? Why? What do you mean why? What do you mean why, guys? Kita nyo? Cycling short first. Because mas mainit sa legs. Tama ba ang tanong? Kasi baka you might be asking if I prefer cycling than leggings, or you're asking me to pick cyclings or leggings. Are you in touch with Rihanna? Not as well, but if we get to catch up, why not? Kasi guys, Rihanna was also a part of Starhan, so medyo malalim din yung pinagsamahan namin. But I told you guys we have different priorities right now. So not just because we don't speak every day or we don't get to speak to each other doesn't mean we're not friends anymore. Sometimes you call that low maintenance friendship, that you don't have to speak every day, but once you speak to each other again, then it just feels the same way as if it was like the last time you guys hang out, if you know what I mean. No. Guys, bilang na lang talaga. Si Ate Amy lang yung in touch ko right now. Kit Kat, ikaw you never changed. Fave song ko sa Amina 48 right now. Oh my pump. Diba? Mema. Hindi ako marunong, but I'm addicted to Oh My Pumpkin. Oh my pumpkin. And I can't. Parang hindi talaga bagay sa akin, guys, yung mga ganun. Parang hindi ako cute. Parang trying hard ako maging cute. You know what I mean? Mas bagay sa'yo no way man. We danced that. What is OMP challenge, guys? What is the OMP challenge? Sayaw na tayo. Tara na. Oh, my pump. Diyos ko! May short term pala yun. OMPC. Thank you, Mama Bear. I love you, Mama Bear. Alam mo, Mama Bear, you don't have to. That's so cute! Alam mo ba, Mama Bear, I'm at this point right now na pag feeling ko, nanonood ka ng matagal, feeling ko nakaka-estorbo na ako. It's like, it's okay if you have to do something else. As long as I get to hear from you, cause, yun. Pero kung wala ka naman ginagawa and you enjoy watching me, Mama Bear, I'm happy to entertain you and to see you. But thank you, Mama Bear. I love you very much. You know that. Okay. Mama Bear, gusto ko, pag magkaanak na ako in the future, ninang ka. Tapos, pag may apo na yung anak ko, ninang ka ng apo ko. Ganon. Mama Bear, ba't wala ka pa rin Papa Bear? Parang it's impossible for you to not have a Papa Bear. Because you're very pretty. It's understandable. One doesn't want it. Kasi guys, ito okay. I didn't know that, di ba, nag-MNL48 kami. Parang, I wasn't aware na parang kailangan sobrang cute. Kasi hindi naman ako cute. Akala ko lang I'm just gonna dance, I'm just gonna sing. Pero, ganun, cute. Pero I enjoy pa din. I love the journey, you know. I get to meet the senpais, I get to have a lot of sisters, experience and meet you guys. Ganun. Sabi ko pa naman, magtatagal ako doon. Pero, hindi ko rin alam what happened. I'm actually alam ko. Kaya ako i-vlog. You are more of a beauty. Thank you, Kuya Robbie. You know, Kuya Robbie, I know that I was your favorite. I watch your vlogs. From the outfits to the sassy ones. Always ML48, J number 1. I was always your favorite. I thought kasi mga ML loves, mahilig sila sa mga cute, you know, just like Clarine, mga idol, mga innocent look. Do I look like I'm innocent? No. Siguro pag dati. Pag dati. Pero ngayon parang, baka mananapak na ako, ganun. Hi, Louie! Okay, so, ilang oras na ako nag-live, guys? I don't know, but I'm not gonna take much of your time. I just really went live just to catch up with you guys. So, as I said, you have a mature aura. Yes. So, I think parang hindi ako nabagay, guys, dun. Parang hindi ako nabagay dun. But anyways, yeah, okay, hindi ako mawawalan ng matagal, guys, because bagay ka sa ututs, bagay sa beach. Shh! No. We're not gonna go that way. No. Again, okay, everyone, MN loves, and people who's watching that's not MN loves, my royalties that I missed, backstage thing. Okay, babalikan natin yung mga yan in this following lives ko. I mean, hindi ako nagla-live to late ka na. Kita mo, late ka na. Kakapasok mo pa lang. Patapos na ako. Wait. Wow, parang stress ka pa. Huwag kang papasok ka. KitKat ah. Huwag kang papasok. It's okay, Cara. There's always a next time. You know? Automatic absent. Next live, it's more on like catching up lang, guys. Catching up lang siya. Wala akong target. Diba before, pag nagla-live ako, there's always target. There's always like, I have to reach this quota. I have to reach this stuff like that. The Kumu works, you know. But, right now that I'm just dealing with peace and no pressure, I'll just go live to just, pag wala kayo makausap, ano na rin ako makausap, tayo na lang mag-usap, okay? And, since, right now, there's gonna be a second account, you guys. Etong si Vanessa na to, magkakaroon siya ng isa pang account, which is doon na ako magla-live and those following me. I don't know yet kung kailan ako magla-live, pero sasabihin ko sa inyo kung saan ako magla-live next time para ma-follow nyo na. Okay? Unfollow na namin to. Huwag kasi. Wait lang. Ano ulit username nun? Tingnan nyo, di ko pa alam. Vanessa.young, tapos yung letter U is doble. Vanessa underscore. Ha? Anong W? Walang W sa young. U. Sorry. Ganyan kami mag-usap, guys. Vanessa, eto na, type ko na. KitKat. You're still a royalty, ah. Vanessa underscore young. Tapos yung U niya is doble. Something like refresh, ganun. Kasi, wala lang. I might be a little bit parang inconsistent na dito. Doon na ako sa kabila magpo-focus ng refresh. Okay. Vanessa underscore Kuya Robbie. Vanessa. Bumalik kayo ng prep. Sabi ko, Vanessa underscore young, and then the young is doble yung U. Yan. That's like account that is connected here as well. Parang put on notification as well para pag nagla-live ako. Diba? Huhulaan nyo na lang kung saan ako nagla-live dito or doon. You know. See? Cosa? The young is W. No, W U. The U is there's two U. Okay? YOUUNG. Yeah, I might be much more active there because I want to refresh. Pero I will not lose this account, of course, because it has 15 followers. Okay, followers. So, refresh lang tayo. Kasi ang dami yung mga pinagko-comment nyo sa akin dati na Gcash, mga ganon. Ewan ko sa inyo. Okay? Something like new brand, new something. Kala ko si Mika Salamanca. Kita nyo, kanina Mika, Bini Mika, ngayon Mika Salamanca. Baka bukas si ano na yan, KitKat Luis. Huwag naman sana. Send pulang kabay. May pulang ka. What's pulang ka? Diba sa Kumu yun, guys? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if there's pulang kabayo. Bini Vanessa. No, guys. No. I'm fine to be in peace right now. Si Mika Maham. Cosa? Dopo. Ay, alam naman na nila yun. Naririnig din dati. Send halo-halo. Nakakamiss nga po bukas si Bianca de Vera na. Diba? Ay, nakakainis. Diba? Guys, si ano na lang, si Shuvi. Kasi TDH. Kilala niyo si TDH? Ni Shuvi. Yes, Kuya Robbie. You know, Kuya Robbie, right now, if you're wondering what I'm just doing, just making, parang outside the MNL48, parang I became much more, free, kumbaga. Pero, sad lang because of my passion, you know. Let's not talk about that. Maybe in the vlog na lang. Ano ba guys? Ano bang gusto niyo? Yung vlog ba yun? What, di ba? I'm gonna answer that question. The questions that you have. Ano yun? Like, this... Kailan nyo gustong i-upload? Ganun. Para ma-shoot ko na siya. Kailan nyo gusto? Like, weekday ba? Ganun. Bukas? Hindi ko pa na-shoot. Bukas na agad. Walang edit-edit. Ganon. Bukas na agad. Bukas na. Siguro ano, wait lang, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. Ganon. May shoot. Ganon. Raw vlog. Ganon. What's that? Like project sa school. Hello po, I'm Vanessa Yang from Section 2. I think the answer of ganon. In parts ba yung vlog? Yes, kuya. I don't, but kuya is like parang siyang question and answer na vlog. Parang i-edit ko pa din siya. Kasi baka mamaya masabi ko na hate ko yung member na si KitKat. Hindi naman pala siya member. O, di ba? Kala nyo kung sino member sasabihin ko, kinabahan kayo. What vlog is even that? Vlog of like, again, I'm gonna upload like a story on Instagram where you can put all the questions. So, where you can put all your questions kay former ML48 because you guys didn't know the reason why I left, the thoughts I had before, ba't ako umalis, anong nangyari, mga chikanas. It's not gonna be that long, you know. Because sometimes I think I just have to hear a lot of things. Kasi guys, hindi lang sa pag-alis ko yung tanong niyo ha. Kasi minsan may mga nababasa ako sa X na mga tweets, you know, some things that sometimes I wanna speak out but I can't speak out. Yung mga dating, mag-guest ako yung mga dating na maybe Ate Amy will do, pero I don't think Ate Amy will be here in this upcoming vlog. Itong answer, tanong nyo, yung magiging plano ko na sasagutin ko because hindi pa kami magkikita pa lang kami. So, it's gonna be pangit for our friendship if magkikita lang kami for vlog. Pangit for our friendship if magkikita lang kami for vlog because our friendship before was deeper than being a senpai and a teammate. We were like sisters. We used to live together, you know that. We used to live together. Tumira kami sa isang kwarto together. We've been together. We've been together every day. So, may hirapan ako na invite si Ate Amy sa ganun. Do you have channel in IG? I stopped it as well, guys. I-stop ko yung channel ko sa IG. Saka na lang muna yun. Or siguro, I can post there sa live, no? Doon ako pwede mag-update sa live. Para hindi na lang ako post, no? Koza? Guys, i-follow niyo yung isa kong account sa TikTok ha. Pag ako nag-live doon, tas wala kayo royalties, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay? Mama Bear. Hindi na ako sabi. Oh, Bear, if gusto mo ng chikahan lang na may ginagawa kang work, tapos nakikinig ka lang sa mga teas, you can watch me. Even Kuya Robbie, you can watch me too. Kamusta nga pala yung Royalties fan club? Royalties is still Royalties. Royalties is not just because of MNL48. We're family. We're like, etong mga yan sila Kit Kat, sila Maria, sila, para magkakapatid lang yan. Tapos si Kuya Jerome. So, that's what I told them before. Royalties should just be like a family, not just a fan club. Kaya tuwan-tuwa yung mga yan, nag-chat lagi yan. Ang ingay-ingay nila. All the time. Madaldal, maingay. Hindi sila nauubusan ng chika. Oh my God. Taas kamay ng nasa GC pa. Kita nyo? Wala nang kamay. Coco fan po ako. Whatever, Kit Kat. You never change. You know, it's gonna be 2026 by next year. I'm still trying to balance my interest in your group despite my important task. Hi, Marius. Straight to I'm trying to balance my interest in your group despite my... I really do appreciate that, Marius. Even if I'm out of the group, I am still happy to know that you still support MNL48 even if you have a life outside of it. So 27 na ako mag-change. Awan ko sa'yo, can you dance MNL48? Oh, my pumpkin. Oh my lord, I can dance it now, but I don't think I can be cute on TikTok live. TikTok post. Kasi guys, I feel like it's not bagay to me. I feel like I wanna do it, but I'm shy. Yeah, bagay ba sa akin? Because I do it if it's bagay to me. Ganun siya. Si CJ, perfect! I saw that, perfect! Si CJ, right when I saw her doing that, or being part of that project, I said, get it, girl. It's a yes for me. I'm also facing struggles like jealousy and being overlooked by MMLs. What do you mean? Jealousy and overlooked? What do you mean? Jealousy from MMLs? And you feel comfortable. Maybe, yeah, I'm shy. Hindi na kasi, I'm not really used to camera, you guys, anymore. Unless it's just a picture. Kaya before, kanina, when I started my live, I just did this. I was just like that. Because I'm not used to talk in front of the camera. But I'd love to talk again with you guys. Because I'm stuck in the oldies. At Checky, Ate Abby. Senpais? Nathaniel, balita ko crush ka daw ni Eddie. Sino naman niya si Eddie? Ay, girl ka, shy girl. Kuya, yes. Hindi niya shy girl. Ayan. Things kind of switch up. I might be a C when it comes to pictures, but when it comes to one-on-one like this, I'm shy. Are you single? Next question, please. Eddie ako. Wow, 2022 pa tayo dito. Hanggang third gen na lang ako after ng notice nyo nawala yung spark. Oh, guys, support pa din natin sila kahit wala na yung spark. I know things are not the same anymore like before. Iba din talaga. For me lang ha, personally, same way. Pero, nakakamiss lang yung dati. super, super. Every time I think about it, it's just happy memories. Tanong, pero happy memories pa rin siya. Permission to record G. Anytime you want to po, anytime, it's okay. It's okay. Kaso, permission to post. Kaso, kanina pa ako nag-live. Thank you, Kyle. Kyle, I miss you. I know you're nonchalant. I miss you. No worries po, kuya. Okay? Bye, Kuya Jerome. I love you. I love you, guys. Parang ang daming learnings. Actually, guys, hindi lang sa pagiging ML, no? Sa pagiging member din maraming learnings. Tapos yung ibang big issues ng ibang group, parang normal lang sa M. Tapos yung ibang big issues ng ibang group, parang normal lang sa M groups. I have no idea when it comes to other groups' issues. Advice po sa mga 5th Gen members next month. Maximize the opportunity, or try to spend much more time, a lot of time, and enjoy the moment with your co-members. Kasi you will never know. You will never know. Nakakatakot na. Nakakatakot na. Lalo na kung sobrang into the group ka. Nakakatakot na biglang baka may umalas. Doon nasisira yung bond, yung spark. Every time someone's leaving, you know. But, you know, marami pa akong gusto sabihin, guys, as a 3rd Gen former member. Marami akong gusto sabihin. Marami akong hindi nagawa. Marami akong dapat ginawa, pero hindi ko ginawa. Marami akong bagay na akala ko mangyayari. Marami. A lot. Okay. I had basta, marami. Pero, na-disappoint din ako, pero if you're gonna live with disappointment, nothing will happen in your life. So I just choose to just move on. That's it. That dating or management issues. Dating or management. Saan? Sa dito? Or sa ibang grupo? Sa concert nila i-reveal 5th. Oh, that's so exciting. Thank you, Kyle. Alam niyo, guys, nasasad ako. Wait lang. Parang bilang lang yung exposures that time. But I was my favorite exposure that I get to have is tanda niya yung used to be a girl. That was the kailangan. I needed more exposure that time, but we cannot force that. Doon ko na lang i-explain sa vlog ko yan. Lahat ng mga tanong nyo, kahit it's not about the pag-alis ko, okay? Yung mga tanong nyo, anything, any question, I would answer that. Okay? Also, Marius, you can also tell me that, and I can also answer that on my vlog na lang. Okay? Okay. Guys, I'm a 3rd Gen member. Please, I know I love all the generation, first to 4th, 5th. So, di magkakaroon ng 5th, yes. But please love the 3rd Gen. Yes. Hindi ko na sila makakasama. So, the only favor I can ask you guys is love Rachel, love Rihanna, love Claril. Sino pang nami-miss ko sa 3rd Gen? CJ. Yan. Okay? I cannot stay anymore longer, you guys. So, yeah. Again, KitKat, ikaw na bahala dun sa isang account ko. Sabihin mo na lang sa kanila. But, no force naman. If you just want to be updated or like, manood ng lives na ganito. You know, baka doon ako mag-live sa next ko. Kung meron tao doon. Pero kung wala, basta, bahala na. Okay? Okay? Emma loves, I'm so happy to see you guys and to talk with you guys again. I miss you very much. Okay? Thank you, Kuya Robbie. Mama Bear, CJ, to the royalties, and to mga kuya and ate, Mama Bear. Okay? And mga kids, I enjoyed and miss watching you. Stay safe and happy always. I love you. I love you too, Mama Bear, again. Thank you for everything. And Kuya Robbie, sa inyo, I'm speaking in general. Basta muna, basta. I'm speaking in general. I know matagal ako nawala. Okay. But, sometimes ganun talaga ang life, you know. I just choose to be silent na lang. But, I will explain it maybe in the right timing in this following days vlogs. But, again, thank you very much. Na-miss ko kayo, guys. And if hindi na kayo nag-stop na rin kayo, I totally understand that. But if you're still part of the industry, then thank you for still supporting me. I appreciate that, and I hope you're still gonna be supporting girls from afar, even if you're not part of the industry anymore. Okay? I'm always here for you guys too. I'm watching you guys in silence. Thank you, guys! So, titignan na lang natin, okay? Kung magla-live ako dito or sa next dun sa isang account na yun. Again, it's Vanessa_Young, and then the U is 2. 2U. Y-O-U-U-N-G. Okay? Kung kailangan nyo na makakausap or whatever, you message me and let me know if you want me to go live. So, if ever you guys have problems, then we can just talk about each other problems, you know. Next month? No, not next month. Not next month. Okay? Royalties, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Tatandaan nyo yan, okay? Kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap most of the time. Okay? Have a dinner. Dinner na kayo. Kasi low-bat na ako. 15% na ako. Mag-dinner na kayo. Okay? Tatawagan ko na lang kayo ulit. Ciao! Bye-bye! Busy na lang tayo ulit next time. Ciao!
Hello guys. Bakit? Guys.
Marami kasi po ng chocolate. Oo! Ayan, basta may chocolate, matamis ang...
Kagab may alien. Ano to?
Kagabi. Kainin mo